So here I am, I'm in Tame in Oxfordshire, the home of Kubota UK, and I've got a bit of a world exclusive today because I'm the first journalist to actually try out the new KX085-5. It's the brand new model, straight in from Japan, and yeah, I've just been on it. Fantastic machine, lovely comfort for the operator, suspension seat and all the rest of it. But don't let me go on about it, I'm going to come out and talk to a product specialist about it. So let's go and meet Martin. Martin from Kubota.
Hi Nick.
All right,
Good to see you.
fantastic operator comfort. Tell us a bit more about what you've put into this machine.
Well, as you've mentioned, we've really concentrated on making the digger more premium and more comfortable for the operator. You know, the bigger a mini excavator is, the longer an operator spends in the cab. So we've improved everything that the operator touches and sees. As you mentioned, they're very comfortable, double adjustable air suspended seats fitted as standard. We have other features such as the redesigned track pedals, dozer float as standard, rear view camera, and also an improved aircon system with 20% more airflow. A really big feature of this machine is it's now 3 decibels quieter than the predecessor. So it's a nice, comfortable, premium place to spend a day.
Yeah. Well, you know, Kubota market leader for a long time, and there's a reason for that in there. So yeah, I'm going to do a full write-up in Earthmovers Magazine, so look out for that.